Okay, video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech vlog, and you are watching my YouTube channel of Videos Lifestyle, Travel, Food, and Tech, and also, ano ba to? And also unboxing. We are going to unbox and set up this brand new device from Huawei Philippines. So this is the Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches from Huawei Philippines. Alright, we are now back for another tech vlog revenge. At kung naghahanap kayo ng magandang tablet, I always recommend the Huawei MatePad, no? Any MatePad, but this one is the brand new, much more affordable, bagay sa mga kids, student, senior, sa mga creative, sa mga content creators, pwede, at for entertainment. So, before I unbox this is a brand new, no? Parang, wow, very, parang sabi nga nila, it's parang flagship style. Itong Huawei MatePad SE 11. Pag sinabing flagship, parang para kayo naka MatePad Pro, but this one is a much affordable version. So before I unbox this and set up, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung features and tech specs nitong tablet na bago from Huawei Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, ito na yung mga features muna ni Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. So sabi dito, it's the best Huawei product kasi ang Huawei is the leading brand for innovation and technology, and also when it comes to tablet, sila yung leading edge technology for the tablet technology. Kasi usually Huawei MatePad yung talagang mas advanced. Nasubaybayan ko niyan ever since na lumabas yung MatePad Pro. At ito, we're now here sa MatePad SE 11 inches. Ito ay merong metallic unibody design. It is lightweight, power pack siya, smooth finish, at heavy duty yung kanyang body. For the screen, meron siyang FHD Plus display with vivid colors. Maganda yung colors niya kasi ito perfect daw for creatives, lalo yung mga mahilig mag-drawing, mag-painting, at gumawa ng mga artwork, and also for entertainment. Importante, vivid colors yung screen niya. It's very accurate dapat. At pinakamaganda dito, no, meron siyang dual TUV Rainland certification for eye comfort and protection. So, itong tablet na ito, hindi masakit sa mata. It's very safe. At kanyang audio, kasi 4 speakers to gumagamit siya ng technology na Huawei Hisense 9.0. Talagang malakas yung audio niya at the best for entertainment, for gaming, and also watching movies and videos. Meron siyang power pack battery with fast charging feature. Mamaya di-discuss natin yan. Malaki yung kanyang RAM memory and also storage. I-discuss natin mamaya yan. This is the best daw, best productivity tool for users. Lalo na meron siyang ginagamit na Huawei M Pen Lite. Para siyang ball pen, no, na pang drawing mo dito. It's a wireless pen. You can use it for drawing, for taking notes, playing games, or kahit browsing, pwede siya. So this is perfect for creatives, sa mga school and learning, for work, at for social media browsing, and also content creation. Yung kasama niyang Huawei M Pen Lite. At marami siyang mga productivity feature using the app multiplier. Mayroon siyang multi-window, at saka yung aking paboritong multi-screen collaboration. At this is best for all ages, mga art makers, students, creators, and also for kids, and also sa mga seniors na ang gusto nila na malaki yung text, magbabasa sila ng mga social media posts, or for email, or for entertainment na rin din. So, na-discuss na natin yung features ng Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. This is 11 inches, na malaki-laki to. At let's move on to the tech specs. Okay, discuss natin yung tech specs. Let's do this. Alright, ito na yung tech specs ni Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. For the display, meron siyang 11 inches na FHD Plus LCD IPS display. At meron itong 85% screen-to-body ratio. So, malawak-lawak din siya. At for the resolution, gumagamit siya ng 1920 by 1200 resolution. For the refresh rate, no, nakita ko yung notes ko, no, meron siyang 60 Hz refresh rate. Meron siyang 207 ppi. 16.7 millions of colors, 11 inches eye comfort, Huawei full view display, 400 nits brightness, 1400:1 contrast ratio. At kaya na-mention ko kanina, no, TUV Rainland certification for low blow light and flicker free. So, hindi siya nag-flicker. So, very comfortable siya sa mata natin. Hindi mapapagod yung mata nyo. Pwede kayong magtagal. At meron siyang e-book mode at saka full range DC dimming. Ito yung specs niya for the display. For the body, yung specs ng body niya, gumagamit sila ng metal unibody design. Parang all unibody metal siya. Hindi siya mahalong plastic. It's all metal, unibody. At ang kanyang weight is 475 grams. Nakasama yung battery. It's very lightweight. At it's very thin. Yung kanyang thickness is 6.9 mm. So talagang very thin siya. So parang kasing thin ng phones ninyo, no? Talagang very mas compact pa rin din siya. At for the CPU, sabi nila gumagamit siya ng powerful processor chip from Huawei. Hindi ko na babanggitin nyo kasi hindi naman nila binanggit, pero I'm very sure kung ano yung popular na processor chip ni Huawei, yun yung ginagamit nila. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Harmony OS 2.0. For the memory, very interesting yung memory niya. Meron two variants of memory. Isang 6GB of RAM at isang 8GB of RAM. Yung i-unbox natin, that's an 8GB of RAM. Tapos, meron siyang storage na 128GB of storage. So, malaki-laki din yung kanyang memory at yung storage. For the camera specs, for the rear camera, gumagamit siya ng star ring design for the rear camera. So, parang phone yung yung camera niya. So, isang camera lang to na 8 megapixel with 2.0 aperture at meron siyang autofocus. At for the image resolution niya, it's 3264 by 2448 yung kanyang pixel niya for the image resolution at gumagamit siya ng 1080p video recording. At for the capture mode niya, meron siyang beauty, panorama, audio control, timer, time-lapse, watermark, documents, and high vision. For the front camera ni Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches, yung front camera niya is gumagamit siya ng 5 megapixel of camera na merong 2.2 aperture. For the image resolution, gumagamit siya ng 2560 by 1920 pixel. For the video recording, gumagamit siya ng 720p lang siya for the front camera. At for the capture mode niya, merong mirror reflection, audio control, timer, time-lapse, at watermark. Wow, very interesting yung kanyang camera specs. Also, meron akong test niyan. Na-test ko na yan. Very impressive. For the battery, talagang it has a very powerful battery, no? So, meron siyang 7,700 milliampere of battery. Grabe, no? Na meron 22.5 watts fast charging feature, which is kailangan talaga yung fast charging para ma-fill up niya yung laki ng battery, no? So, yung battery specs niya can do it 11.7 hours of video playback, 12 hours of talk time, at 30 hours of standby time. Yun ang ganun kalaki yung kanyang battery specs for the Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. For the other specs on tong MatePad na to, no, so wala siyang SIM. So ano lang siya, Wi-Fi lang siya, no. Gumagamit siya ng Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz of wireless network. At Bluetooth niya is 5.1. This is OTG ready na rin din siya. Gumagamit siya ng USB Type-C. At meron siyang one microphone for video calls yun, for example, no. At meron siyang 4 speakers, very interesting, 4 speakers. At ay kanyang technology for audio is the Huawei Hisense 9.0. At for other features, kaya niyang gumawa ng multi-screen collaboration, multi-window, at meron siyang Kids Corner and Growth Partner app para sa mga chikiting. You can use the Kids Corner and Growth app, pero ito controlled to ng mga parents, no, so they control it, pabibigay niya sa mga bata, at meron itong parang timer para hanggang saan lang nila pwedeng gamitin yung tablet. At meron siyang feature na Me Time Call, which you can communicate from a Huawei device to another Huawei device. For the Huawei M Pen Lite, kasi kasama din to sa bundle dun sa inyong tablet, meron siyang premium metal unibody design, at meron siyang 150 hours of super battery, at meron siyang exquisite na pen tip tsaka portable pen clip design. For the body color, no, parang I searched parang dalawang colors, no, pero for the Philippines, ang available lang niya is Nebula gray color lang. For the SRP, ito yung SRP niya, there are two kinds of SRP. Yung unang-unang SRP is 11,999, very affordable for the tablet. Meron siyang 8GB of RAM at 128GB of storage. So first sale niya for the freebies for this variant from June 28 to July 31, you get a Huawei M Pen Lite na worth 2,999. May kasamang flip cover worth 9,999 pesos at coffee mug worth na 999 pesos. So, grabe, tatlo yung freebie niya, no? For that period. Tandaan niyo, June 28 to July 31. You can get this for a price of 11,999. At dun sa pangalawang SRP niya, you can get this tablet for 8,999. This is a 6GB RAM variant na merong 128GB of storage. So sa first sale niya, ang freebie from June 28 to July 31, ang freebie niya ay may kasama siyang flip cover worth 999 pesos, 999 pesos at coffee mug na worth 999 pesos. So hindi lang kasama yung M Pen Lite, pero I suggest get the 11,000 variant kasi kasama yung M Pen Lite for that sale period. At also available din si Home Credit with zero interest for the SE 11 inches up to 9 months. At for the credit card naman din, zero interest up to 24 months. So this is available on Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, Huawei Online Store, and Huawei Experience Stores nationwide. Nakita ko yung website ni Huawei Online Store. Go there kasi para may nakita akong 300 vouchers na pwede nyo magamit when purchasing the Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. Alright, tapos na tayo mag-discuss ng mga features at tech specs ni Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. So it's time now for our unboxing and setup and hands-on test with the new MatePad tablet from Huawei Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Unbox na natin to. Alright guys, we are now going to unbox the Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. So I got here the 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage at a Nebula Gray body. So let's check it out, y'all. Let's unbox it para ma-set up na natin to ngayong araw na ito. And here we go. Wow. And this is the unit, the MatePad SE 11 inches. So what's inside the box? Check natin. So inside the box is merong dito, box na panel, and this is the walang charger, walang kasamang charger, at may kasama siyang M Pen Lite. Taka ako bakit walang kasamang charger to, no? Oo nga, walang kasamang charger because this is a review unit from Huawei Philippines. So Huawei, sana sinama nyo yung charger niya, yung fast charging niya, no? So this is the box and this is the M Pen Lite. Tanggalin ko na to para magamit na natin. So it's a metallic pen siya at meron daw tong battery meron tong battery pero hindi ko alam paano to i-open. Ayan, naiikot naman yata to. So there's a battery here. Ito yung battery niya, napakaliit lang. So one battery lang can power up to let's say here na 150 hours. No. So may sticker pa pala dito, tanggalin na rin natin to. Ayan, it's very clean. So mamaya natin to i-discuss. At gusto ko na lang muna ma-open itong Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. So let's check out the body first. So ito yung kanyang pinhole, front camera. Kitang-kita naman dito. Pinhole camera sa taas. It's very clean here. Ito yung microphone niya. And there's the parang for the volume buttons. Sa left side is the power button. There's two speakers here sa gilid. Two speakers. Sa ilalim, it's very clean. Sa right side, it's another two sets of speakers. Tsaka yung kanyang USB Type-C na plug. Ayan, dito yan. So that's the around the body. It's for the back of the body. Tanggalin natin tong sticker na to. Wait. Ang hirap tanggalin ng sticker to. I really hate these kinds of stickers, no? So anyway, I'll show it to you na lang na ganito na lang. So ito yung back of the tablet. There's the Huawei logo at yung kanyang star ring design na na camera. Is the rear camera, yan. So, ayun, that's it. So, let's power it up. Sana may charge to, no? So, let's power it up. And pakita natin yung ganda ng tablet na ito. The Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. So, this one that I got, SRP nito is 11,999. Oh, lakas ng speaker niya. Grabe. Wow. Oh my gulay. Ganda. Harmony OS. Ang lakas ng speaker niya. Startup pa lang yan. No? So, sana may battery siya. No? At sana naka-set up mode siya. At hindi pa siya nagagamit. So, check natin. No? So, I guess the pen is already working. No? So, let's try natin English. So, wala pa. Hindi pa gumagana yung pen. So, I think mamaya yata pag naka-activate na. I think we need to activate the Bluetooth din. So, let's get started. Let's choose the Philippines. Siyempre, we are here in the Philippines. So, pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung setup, no, para makita ninyo. Usually, I skip this kind of portion pero for this new tablet, mas gusto kasi ninyo na nakikita nyo. No? So, software agreement, next. Let's me connect to the Wi-Fi. Wait lang. Alright, nakakonect na ako sa Wi-Fi. Let's click the data privacy thing and let's load it up. I need to log in my Huawei ID. So, wait lang. Mag-log in muna ako sa aking Huawei ID. Alright, I just logged in now using my Huawei ID. Pag wala pa kayong Huawei ID, you can register and sign up ASAP. So, for the cloud, hindi ako gumagamit ng cloud eh. So, disable ko na to. Data sync. Alright. Gallery. Actually, I need to make this a dedicated device. So, agree. Find my tablets. Let's click next. Okay, let's wait for the loading. So, meron siyang kalahating charge. Oh. Has been enabled. Okay natin yan. So, we'll set up a 6-digit pin. Wait lang. Alright, nakapag-set up ako ng 6-digit pin. So, wala siyang fingerprint, no? Or wala siyang face recognition. So, ang gagamitin nyo dito is yung 6-digit pin. So, in-app purchase, bank card. So, add later na lang yan. At HSMS score. Let's click more. Next. Password set. Meron siyang face recognition. This is good, So, okay, set up tayo ng facial recognition. So, lagay ko muna yung password. Oh, this is nice, Mayroong facial recognition. So, ito yung face ko. Yun. Ang taga kasi medyo magawa kasi ng ilaw ko. So, accept natin to. So, ito nakikita nyo, no? How I set up the share analytics. That's enabled. Okay lang yan. Location services. Okay lang yan. Data import. Set up as new device. Ito yung pinaka-hate ko. Yung try yung gestures. Yung mga ganyan. No? Let's go. Pwede bang skip na natin to? Skip na natin to. Pwede bang wag na lang? O, finish na natin to. And here we go. Wow, grabe ang kulay niya, no. Ang kulay nung screen niya. Talagang very vivid niya, no. Ang ganda. Ayan, I think yung ano ata nito maglo-load na, no. So, ayan, you can, actually if you need more application, just go to the Huawei app gallery. Ayan. Ganito lang naman siya. You can download some of your favorite apps. Pero syempre, skip ko muna to. May mga apps na hindi ko naman kailangan. So, pagganahin natin yung pen. No? Gumagana na ba yung pen? Hindi pa gumagana yung pen. So, I guess I need to, update daw yung app gallery. I need to, let's say, teka lang muna. Parang may something dun sa, sa takip eh. So, para nakita ko yung kanina. Parang may rubber thing. So, kailangan ko atang alisin yata ito. Alisin yung rubber na yan. Kasi, inaano niya yung battery. Hindi siya na pinapagaan. So, I need to remove the mini rubber dun sa pen para gumana. Ayan. So, naka-enable na to sigurado. Ito yung rubber niya. May rubber stopper yung battery. So, I guess, auto-connect na to. Try natin. Uy, gumagana na siya. Grabe, ganun kabilis, So, gumagamit siya ng small battery, no? Parang AAA yata, So, may lifespan yung battery. Or I heard parang 3 months daw eh. So, yun. So, kung gaano kadalas yung gamitin, dun yung maano yung battery kasi wala naman siyang charging. Wala siyang charging na kamukha sa ibang MatePad Pro na may magnet dito. So, wala. Hawakan nyo na lang siya. At wala siyang kasamang folio. So, you need to hold this or get a stand for your tablet. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, we are now going to explore the tablet. So, I mentioned earlier about the apps. Okay, may mga ads pa. So, skip natin to. Kung kailangan nyo nung, skip. Kung kailangan nyo nung, like, yung mga Google apps, just go to Huawei App Gallery and install Gbox. Pero, syempre, may ganito to, not now, sign up daw. So, SwiftKey. Ito kailangan ng SwiftKey. But ito yung Gbox. So, ito yung Gbox. Ito for Google Apps. So, ini-install ko na siya. So, kailangan ko na rin din yan. Lalabas yan dito mamaya. Ayan, ito siya. So, habang nag-load yan, let's check out the tablet. You can do a multi-window. For example, so I'm launching a notepad. Saan to? Later. Si notepad, dito ka. And another app, for example. Okay. So, hindi ko masyadong gamay. Nalimutan ko na rin kasi paano ko gamitin to. So, I need to pull this out. Halimbawa, I need to go to the browser. So, ito yung itsura niya. Ganito yan. So, pwede mo siyang pagdikitin eh. Parang may ganun eh. This is the style niya, Ayan, for the multi-window. Pwede ka mag-browsing habang nagtitake ng notes, typing, browsing. You can go to my blog, go to my website. Ayan, pwede mo siyang i-full screen at pwede mo rin siyang pagdikitin. Alam ko, hindi ko lang alam kung paano siyang gawin yung gano'n, Okay. Okay, let's go back to the notepad. Lock natin to. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi kong style yata kanina eh. This is notepad eh. Anyway, nalilito ako. Here's my blog site so you can, browse and, read some articles about what's happening. Ayan. Laki ng text niya, galing At for the Gbox, let's check the Gbox, So, syempre, alam ko, if you're looking for the Google apps, include na rin natin ito sa ating, so, meron siyang YouTube, Google, Facebook, Instagram. So, i-install mo lahat yan. For example, you need to install Google, YouTube pala. So, usually, yun ang mga kinakailangan natin na daily apps when you're using the tablet. So, paano ba yun? Ayan. Alright. So, kailangan mo pala mag-sign in pala for the Google Play. Ayan. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. So, ayun, what else? Let's try the Kids Corner. Ito, Kids Corner. Agree. So, ito yung mga laro ng pambata. For small kids, alam ko, mai-enjoy nila to. So, set daily limit. Ayan. Set available hours. For the parents to, Ayan. Dear parents of Phoenix, so you can play around with the this kids game. So panglibangan lang to sa mga chikiting, So para siyang Animal Crossing, So ano nangyari? So may camera, ang galing, may mga siya drawing. So a kid can draw. So paano 'yon? No multimedia content. Hindi ko magets kung ano 'yan. Ito, painting. So, kids can paint using the pen. Ayan. Ang galing naman ito. Drawing natin yung ating secret character. So, paano ko buburahin to? Nice! Ang ganda naman. Ayan, aking character. I'm using the, pa lang naman to, yung pang kids na app. Pang kids pa lang to. Hindi pa to yung pinakang actual na for artist talaga. So, I'm going to go out. Touch again to exit. Paano yan? Gusto ko na mag-exit eh. Gusto ko na mag-exit. Hindi ko na maalala kung paano mag-exit dito. Ayun. Nangyari. enter pin. Anak ng tokwa. Teka, kaya makalabas pa, mag-enter pa ng pin. Alright. Yung pin code ko, yun ay nakapag-exit using the pin code ko doon sa app na yon. So, ano pa ba na pwede nyo gawin? You can use the taking notes. Pwede rin din itong taking notes, no? Paano ba to? For quick note, pwede kayo magsulat dito, no? Pwede pag ganito naman yung style niya, kasi usually pag nagsusulat ako pag ganito eh. So, lagay mo, hi guys, hello, say hello. Ayan, pangat na sulat ko, no? So, ganun lang naman. And what else? Meron pa ditong mga apps na, let's check. Meron siyang WS Office, kung mga Word files ninyo or PDF, kaya niyang i-open to. Yan, si WPS Office. Kaso nga lang hindi siya yung Pro, no? This is just the basic version lang. So right now I'm installing YouTube, no, using the Gbox app. So after installing the Gbox, yung i-install ko si YouTube, kinuha na muna yung aking login sa Google ko for the Google Play. So, ito nag-install na siya. So, makagamit tayo ng Google or mga Gmail. So, ayun. So, ito na. Nag-login na tayo sa ating YouTube channel. So, let's check ang aking YouTube channel. Ayan. Ito yung aking history. Shout out kay Tech Local. Ayan, let's go to my video. So, actually, here's my other vlog. I think may ads yata. Ayan, may ads nga lang siya, no? Need to lower down the volume. Ayan, para mapanood natin yung vlog natin. So, this is my YouTube channel.
Si Jollibee, syempre, na-meet na rin natin si Jollibee.
Lakas ng audio, grabe.
Selfie pala ako kay Jollibee, I forgot. At I see the booth ni Secret Fresh. Napakalaki nung booth ni Secret Fresh, parang kuweba. So, may mga
lakas na speaker, grabe.
I-launch ito, yung parang burger. Hindi ko maintindihan kung anong
and
character to.
the resolution is very
cute,
nice.
Naka
1080p, 720p. That's 720 pa lang, no? So, pwede ko itong i-push to 1080p for a good resolution.
At nakahawak ako.
So, parang meron akong sit-down vlog.
Big Boy Cheng na Funko Pop. The limited chase edition pa. At nung kung na...
Ayan. So, we tried YouTube. It's okay. At ano pa ba? So, let's try the Huawei multi-screen collaboration. I tried kanina, pero kailangan daw naka-hire ka na tawag dito, 5 GHz na Wi-Fi. So, ito na. This is my device, the Huawei P30. Magko-connection na siya dun sa tablet. So, heto na. I think they're now communicating. Ayan, no? Wow, 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 wow. It's connected na. So, this is my phone. My phone now is in here sa tablet. I can put it down. Napag ko na lang to dito. And using the pen, I can now control my Huawei P30 using the Huawei MatePad SE. So, I can control Facebook. Ayan, I can browse Facebook here. Ayan. I can also go back to the phone and go to the gallery. Ayan, yung gallery. May mga drawings ako dito sa aking gallery ng phone. Na-access ko siya. And some pictures din taken sa phone ko. Ayan. So, I can go back there. I can also watch YouTube sa aking phone. For example, check natin. So, meron tayo ng balita halimbawa. So, magpe-playback siya. At, nangyari. Lipat natin sa, ayan, may sound siya. O, diba? And I can full screen this, phone.
Sa monitoring ng TCG sa barko.
O, diba?
Gamit ang Dark Vessel Detection Technology
galing.
mula sa Canada.
So, paano ako babalik doon? Ayan. So, ayan, that's the multi-screen collaborative. Very awesome feature ni Huawei MatePad. Lalo na kung meron kang Huawei P30 or Huawei laptop, Huawei phones na you can do collaboration with the Huawei MatePad SE. So, one of the best. So, I can control my phone here. I can make calls. I can also take pictures. Pwede ba? Pag nag-take ng pictures, I think yung phone na eh. This is my phone. Ayan. Kaso nga lang naka-unlock siya. So, kailangan natin itanggalin yung lock na. Ayan. I can also use the rear camera. Ayan. Ng aking phone. At nakikita ko siya dito sa... Pwede ako mag-vlog dito at makikita ko yung monitor ko dito sa Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. Also, let's try the... close na natin to. No? Let's try the... disconnect na natin. Let's try the camera. So, ito yung camera niya. It's... okay, may camera mode pang ganun. Switch camera mode. So, kailangan ko i-click pala yun, no? Enable. So, for the camera, so this is the rear camera. No? This is the rear camera. So, medyo malaki-laki yung ano niya. Mabilis din yung kanyang shutter din. Okay, that's the quality of the rear camera. And let's go to the front camera. This is the front camera. Hello! Ayan. So, pwede siyang mirrored o hindi. Ayan. So, ito yung quality ng aking pagmumukha. Ayan. Malinaw naman siya. So, that's it guys for the Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches with the M Pen Lite. Super okay siya. Super. Marami kong magagawa dito for this tablet. At since nakagamit naman ako ng MatePad Pro noon, I'm using this for as my entertainment gadget, for YouTube, social media, and also gaming. No, I'll try to edit na rin din some pictures or video here. So we will be using this for content creation in the future. So imbes na gumamit ako ng laptop, magpa-practice tayo using this Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Kita-kits tayo sa next video at I'll be posting more video about the Huawei MatePad SE 11 inches here on my YouTube channel. So abangan niyo yan. Magi-gaming test tayo and also productivity test. Alright, kita-kits and see you on the next video. Bye-bye!